Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve pattern 19 from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand this particular pattern. So the question is, we want to print a pattern in this way where you are given with an integer number n. Okay. So let's get back to the iPad and try to deep dive into this particular problem. Okay. So here, let's say n is equal to 4, right? What we want to draw 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 8 stars in a line, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and again 1. Here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and again one more star here, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4, and again 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the type of pattern that we want to draw here. Okay, so let's try to like divide this pattern. Basically, in some cases you have to find some symmetry, and we can clearly see it is uh, like it's just a mirror image of like the half bottom, right? The upper half and lower half. The upper half is mirror image of the lower half, or the vice versa. So then again, going back to our basic understanding of this problem, what we try to find out, the number of rows. Okay, so we will first try to draw this half and then this half. Okay, this is how you can divide the patterns also. So here we can clearly see there are n rows, n equal to 4. So we can clearly see 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rows are there. Yes, so we can clearly write our first outer loop here. For I equal to 0, I is less than n, or maybe I equal to 1, then I is less than equal to n. That can also be true. Okay, I plus plus. This is my outer loop, which will run for 4 rows. Then coming back to the this particular upper half. Okay, so what is the pattern here? It is stars or asterisks, stars, spaces, and then again stars, right? So here no spaces, but here spaces. In this case spaces, here spaces, here spaces, right? So star, spaces, stars. So this is the pattern, right? So basically, how many loops we will write inside this for loop? Just for this upper half, we will write 3 for loops, and 2 will be just a copy, because similar way we have seen previously in few examples where pattern was like spaces, stars, spaces. So we used to copy paste. Basically, the half pattern is anyway going to be same. So we will divide this pattern something like this only. Okay, so we will first write the code loop for this one, then this one, then spaces in between. Okay, so what we can identify here? Okay, so we have i's value also. So let's write the i's value. With what is the i's value for this row? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we want to identify how many stars we want to print in each row. Okay, so here 4 stars we want to print, right? 4 stars. Here how many? 3 stars, right? Then 2, and then 1. Can we say n minus I here? Here n minus I is 4 minus 0, it is 4 stars. 4 minus 1, 4 minus I is 1, right? So it is 3. So 3 equal to 3 stars. Then 4 minus 2, 4 minus I, 2, is 2 stars. So 2, it is matching. Then 4 minus 1, it is 3. So 3 stars. 4 minus, sorry, 3, it is 1. 1 star we want to print. So can we say that we can print using this formula, n equal to n minus I? Yes, we can say that. And even it is true for this for loop as well as For this side also, it is also 4 stars, 3 2 1. Can we write that for loop? Yes, we can. For I equal to 0, I, let's take j, maybe j less than n minus I, and j plus plus. And inside that, what we will do, we will just print the star. Okay, and this loop we will copy 2 times, because 2 sides we have to write print. This is how, this is the loop, and at the end basically we can directly write print ln, just to break the line, right? We can close it. Now one more for loop that is remaining. It is for spaces, print spaces. So let's try to identify the spaces logic. Okay, what is the logic for spaces? So let me take the green color. Okay, here 0 spaces are there. Then here, how many spaces? There are 2 spaces. Then here 1 2, right? 1 2 3 4, 4 spaces are there. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 spaces are needed. Okay, so can we say, like, we have to derive some formula around n and I only, right? So it can be different formula also. I am just trying to explain it, right? So let's try to find out. So we want 0 2 4 6. Can we say 2i? Let's try to understand. I's values are these. So 2 into 0, 0, it is matching. Then 2 into 1, 2, it is also matching. Then 2 into 2, 4, it is also matching. Then 2 into 3, 6, it is also matching. So we can clearly say for j equal to 0, j is less than 2 into I and j plus plus. So this is how we can draw the upper half of the pattern, right? So here we have completed our upper half. Now let's go back to the lower half. Okay, so lower half is this, right? So here also we will go with the same way. So here we can say there are 4 rows, which is equal to n. So it is same for loop. So I equal to, let's say I equal to 1. I is less than equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, this is the outer loop. Now coming inside, here also same pattern, stars, stars, spaces, and again stars. So we'll first try to identify stars logic. Okay, how many stars in each row? Okay, basically in this row, like we are also here also we are trying to divide it in same way. So we will write one for loop for these of this side and one for loop for this side. So here we can say we can mark out our i's value. I is 1 2 3. So can we say it is equal to, or maybe like here we want to print 1 star, here we want to print 2 star, 2 star, 3 star, and 4 star. Can we say that we want to print 0 to 2i, that many stars in each row? Yes, we can say. You can clearly see that it is 1 2 3 4. So that's how you can also manipulate with your i's value. So you can easily get to the required value. Maybe if you have taken I equal to 0, then you have to do I plus 1. So that is how the formula works. You can manipulate the formula. So now what I write for j equal to what? J equal to 0, and j is less than equal to I, j plus plus, j plus plus. And here what we'll do, we'll print star. Sorry, we have to do j equal to 1 here. J equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I, right? Because we want to print only 1 here, and as per I, right? So this is first loop, and this will go for at the bottom also, j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, and j plus plus, right? And print x star. This is how it is done. And then at the end print, and then just to break the line, inside that one loop for spaces that we want to derive. Okay. Print spaces. So this for loop we want to derive it. So now let's talk about the spaces. So how many spaces are there? Here are 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6, 4, 2, 0. It is reducing. Can we come up with some formula? Yes, we can. So is it n minus 2i? Can that be a formula? Let's try to understand. So n is 4. So 2n is always 8. Right? 8 minus 2i. 2i is I is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So it is 6. Yes. And again 8. 2n is 8. Then minus 2i. I is 2. 2 into 2, 4. It is 4. It is also matching. Then again for this line, I is 3. So 2n is 8. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 2. Yes, it is matching. For this line, 8 minus 2 into 4, because I is 4, 2i. So 8 equal to 0. Yes, this can be a formula. What we will write? What we will write? We will write j. Sorry. So here what we will write? We will write j equal to 1. J is less than equal to 2n minus 2i and j plus. So this is how you can print the spaces. Right. Till now we have completed all the rows and all the parts of this particular pattern. So let's try to code this. Here for int I equal to 0, I is less than I plus plus. This is our outer loop for the upper half. And inside that what we'll write? For int j equal to 0, j is less than n minus I. That is our formula, and then j plus plus. Right. Inside that what we'll do? System dot out dot print star. Star. Correct. And we'll just copy this again. And again we have to write the spaces too. For j equal to 0 and j is less than 2 into 2 into I and j plus plus. Right. And inside that what we'll write? We'll just do the system. We'll copy the system dot out dot print and then just do space. And at the end also we have to write the line breaker. Yes, that's it. And now again the second for loop. So in the second for loop, I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n plus n for j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, j plus plus. I want to write int inside that what we'll write? We'll write, let's do the print statement. So same here also same, but here spaces and the case will be 2 into n minus 2 to I. To run this directly. What is the wrong answer? Okay, I forgot to add the line breaker. The end of this for loop. It's accepted. And talking about the time complexity, it is O of n square and space is O of 1. To submit this. This is submitted. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel Codecrafters Lab. Thank you.